All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here with a Seiko unboxing. Not only a Seiko unboxing, but tonight is opening day for Dodgers baseball. Bit disappointed, guys, that I just found out that Clayton Kershaw, number 22, is on the IL for 10 days due to a sore back. We're going to have Dustin May stepping in, pitching against Johnny Cueto for the San Francisco Giants. Something to talk about, something for me to think about, but guys, I know you're here for a watch unboxing, so let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to use my Cold Steel, Recon 1, didn't flip that out right, but yeah, I love Cold Steel knives, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. Now, this is amazing because I ordered this watch on just on Tuesday evening. I'm here in California. I ordered this watch on Tuesday evening. It got to me from Gnomon Watches it's here today. So basically it's Thursday. So it took 2 days. They did their express packaging and whatnot and got it out to me very quickly. But I'm going to go ahead and use my big blade here, the big Recon 1 from Cold Steel, to get this thing opened up. And in typical Gnomon style, they've included a cleaning cloth and a extra NATO strap, which is very common. They do this every time they send out a watch. I really love what Gnomon does, and I think that they're one of the best watch companies out there as far as if you're going to buy something kind of in Singapore, like I said, in just a number of days. Now, go ahead and look at the top of the box, guys. It is a Seiko watch, like I said. I'm going to close this big giant knife over here so I don't cut myself with it. The day I got that knife, I cut myself twice with the thing. So just go ahead and open the box. Now, guys, I'm super excited about this one, and I'm a big fan, to be honest with you, of JDM version watches. Now, this is a thank you card from Gnomon Watch. You know, this is something new I've never seen from them, but really impressive. I've bought a number of watches from these people over I shouldn't say people, but this company over the last number of years, and every time has been absolutely spectacular. Now, this is a JDM version. I'm going to show you the paperwork here. We have warranty information, I do believe, here. Yep, and all blanked out, which is fine with me. I like to fill that out myself. And then we have our information card inside of here. Now, guys, I'm gonna just ask you to forgive me because I actually don't know what the reference model is for the domestic versions of this watch. But what I've got here is the Seiko SBDC 109, which is what they're calling the Willard reissue, but Seiko never actually refers to it as that. They're calling it just the SBDC109. So this is going to be the JDM version of the watch, and this is what people are calling the Willard, and stuff. But Seiko is not calling it that. I mean, actually, in reference to Naomi Yamura, who was the Japanese adventurer who actually, solo traveled to the North Pole. He did a solo travel of the Amazon, but this watch is really basically harkening back to the 6105, the Seikos from back in the day, which we all know, we consider the Willard model from Apocalypse Now. Seiko's never really jumped into that, but let's go ahead and give me a second here, guys, to get the plastic wrap off the outside, and we'll talk a little bit more about this watch. All right, guys, so I got all the stickers and plastic off the watch, at least most of the stickers in plastic. I've actually left the hang tags on the watch, and so you can actually see the SBDC 109, the serial, or the reference number, I should say. And I didn't know, but these are actually DiaShield coated, and if you know Seiko watches, this DiaShield coating actually really, really protects the watch from scratches and whatnot, pretty much usually on their high-grade watches. Now, I'm not going to do a full review of this watch, guys, but I do want to get into a few specs real quick. Now, this is a tuned-down version, or very, very reminiscent of the original 6105. You got a 42.7 millimeter case here from side to side, measured around 46 lug to lug. I'm actually wearing the King Tuna today, and I want to show you guys side by side the difference in the size of the watch. The King Tuna is absolutely a bigger watch, or turtle, I should say. This isn't the Tuna, this is the King Turtle, Save the Ocean model, but definitely a bigger watch, and I think they've really done a good size on the sizes. You've got the 6R35 movement, which I'll talk more about in the full review video. You've got sapphire crystal. You've got a wonderful bracelet in here, and I'll show you the details of that bracelet when we get more into the video, or more into the full review. But guys, an impressive watch. These are getting harder to come by, especially the SBDC 109, and forgive me, I don't know the domestic reference numbers when I talk about this one or do the full review. Again, I'll kind of bring those up and we'll talk more about it. But really cool watch. Gnomon Watches, I can't believe they got this out to me in basically 2 days is what they were able to. Actually, less than 2 days. It's kind of crazy how quickly this got to me. They used DHL for shipping, and it was really, really impressive. But very cool watch, guys. I'm looking forward to doing the full review. So thanks for joining me for the unboxing. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Oh, yeah, and go Dodgers. Thanks, guys.